So we started Patient's Voice in the year 2015. So the idea behind is that we are providing services for patients. So there's actually a barrier between the pharma industry and the patients. We just want to close that loop by bringing patients in front of people that are really driving development of medications or treatment.
I think in our industry, a lot of our focus is in the back office, and I think sometimes we're so many steps removed from the patient. But to actually hear from patients firsthand their experience, I think it dials people back to looking at that our job is all about the patient.
I did the trial because I think it's very important to have people volunteer, because if you don't get any volunteers for trials, how do you get new drugs?
Patient Voice has like half a day where we have the workshop so that people really start thinking in terms of how can I take the patients and the patient's voice and their opinions into their studies, or how can I get insights into that?
I know there's so much, I think, misinformation out in the public about what it's like to take in a clinical trial. I want to change people's perceptions about it. I literally learned so much, and I took so much information just in terms of being able to look after myself, information that I've shared with a lot of other women that I know that share the same condition that I have, and it's just been really empowering, and so I just wanted to sort of share that positiveness.
Whenever I have the opportunity to speak with patients, it makes me remember why I do my job, and I think it brings you right back to why I came into this industry in the first place, and remember why I get up in the morning.
So we really hope that our participants take this back into their companies and implement what they've heard here, and just develop better trials for patients, and we can advance the medicine in a much better way.